Hello and welcome. This video will discuss the process of using ILL or interlibrary loan to request a book. If at any time you need more help, make an appointment with the librarian who covers your subject, or call, email, or chat with the library. You can also visit us in person at the reference desk. One commonly asked question we receive is, I found a book I want to check out, but WKU Libraries does not have access to it. What do I do? WKU Libraries can get you the book you need for free using Interlibrary Loan, or ILL. Through ILL, WKU Library can borrow material from other libraries and vice versa. To access ILL services, visit the link shown on the screen or simply perform a Google search for WKU ILL and select the first link. Once on the page, click Login, which is shown here with an arrow. Once you log in, you will be taken to a screen that looks like this, although your screen may not have any existing requests listed. To start a new request, select Create Request in the top right corner of the screen, which is shown here with an arrow. This will bring you to the Request page, which looks like this. For book requests, click on the Book tab at the top of the page. The tab is shown here with an arrow. The more information you provide, the faster you will get the resource you need. To request a book, you need the following: the title of the book, the author or authors of the book. If there are multiple authors, please list them all. The publisher's name, the place that was published, if provided, the date or year the book was published, ISBN, which is an International Standard Book Number. It is a 13-digit number used to uniquely identify the specific title, edition, and format of a book. Where you learned about the item, which is often a link to the book's listing on Amazon or another site. And lastly, an OCLC number, which is a unique control number used for every record in WorldCat, which is a massive online catalog used by all libraries. If you are unsure or cannot find some of this information, just leave it blank. To gather the information you need, it can be helpful to view a book's citation. I will briefly show you an example of the location of each piece of information you need using a citation. First are the author or authors' names. This is followed by the book title, which is often in italics. This citation includes a place of publication, Toronto, followed by the publisher's name, which is Random House Canada. Lastly, we see the date, which is 2013. If you need more information about a book, you can also look up the book on Amazon. Make sure you are looking at the physical version of the book, not the Kindle version, and scroll down until you see Product Details, shown here with an arrow. Here you can find the publisher name, date, and ISBN number. Choose either the ISBN 10 or the ISBN 13, not both. You can then link to this Amazon page for where you found the item. The request form also includes an About My Request section. For service type, you are given two options: copy or loan. For books, you should select Loan, which is the default option. This means that you will be provided a physical version of the book. Copy is typically used for articles or short sections of books, since other libraries are unlikely to provide a digital copy of an entire book. You can use the Needed Before field if there is a date after which you would no longer need the book. For example, if you needed the book for a specific paper due on December 1st, 2021, you could put 12/01/2021 in the box, since you would no longer need the book after turning in your paper. Include comments in the Comments field if you would like to provide any more information about the request. Note that if you request a book written in a foreign language, it will not be in English when you receive it. Lastly, make sure your contact information is correct and select Submit Request. Note that you are allowed 5 requests per day and no more than 25 in 1 week, including book and article requests. To check the status of your book request, visit the ILL services page at wku.edu/library/services/ILL and log in. This will take you to an overview of your requests, which will show the status of each of your requests. Books typically take a few weeks to come in, depending on the location of the library WKU is borrowing. If you need help with an ILL request or have a question, contact our interlibrary loan specialist, Kathy Fauci, via the email address or phone number shown on the screen.